Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into the 5 contrarian stock picks by Motilal Oswal. So Motilal Oswal have picked 5 stocks. Those are contrarian stocks, so we'll get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of those stocks. So let's get started. So the stock prices as of 25th April 2019. First one on the list is Tata Global Beverages. Its current share price is 211 rupees. The 52-week low is 177, whereas the high is 300. The industry PE is 28, whereas the company PE is 32. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 10 and the debt to equity is 0.15. The TTM EPS is 6.47. The promoter holding is 34%. Mutual fund investment is 1221 crores. Returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 26%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given us a return of 20%, but for 5 years it is given us only a return of 5.99%. Next one in the list is Ashok Leyland. Its current share price is 89 rupees. The 52-week low is 77, whereas the high is 167 rupees. The industry PE is 25, whereas the company PE is 14. The PB is 3. The return on capital employed is 28, whereas the debt to equity is 0.14. The TTM EPS is 6. The foreign promoter holding here, it is not Indian promoters, it is foreign promoters, which is 51%. Mutual fund investment is 1524 crores. And returns for 1 and 3 years it is negative, which is minus 42% for 1 year and minus 4% for 3 years, but for 5 it is positive, which is 30%. Next one on the list is HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company. The current share price is 399 rupees. The 52-week low is 344, whereas the high is 548. The industry PE is 49, whereas the company PE is 63. The PB is 16. The ROCE is 30, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there's no debt with this company. And the TTM EPS is 6.26. The promoter holding is 75%. 2049 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is minus 19%, and 3 years and 5 years is nil because we have only 1 year of return here because the stock came into stock market only 1.5 years or 2 years ago. So we have only 1 year return here. Next one on the list is Coal India. The current share price is 251 rupees. The 52-week low is 211, whereas the high is 303. The industry PE is 12.54, whereas the company PE is 12.24. The PB is 7. The ROCE is 45, whereas the debt to equity is 0.08. The TTM EPS is 20. The promoter holding is 70%. 9,209 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns the 1 year, 3 year and 5 year returns are in negative, so the stock has not performed or given us a good return in the past 5 years. So for 1 year it is given us a return of minus 12%, for 3 years minus 4%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of minus 3%. Next one and the last one on the list is HPCL, which is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. The current share price is 275 rupees. The 52-week low is 163, whereas the high is 330 rupees. The industry PE is 15, whereas the company PE is 8. The PB is 1.56. The ROCE is 22, whereas the debt to equity is 0.88. The TTM EPS is 31. There is no promoter holding. 5,305 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is negative, which is minus 12%, but for 3 and 5 years it is positive. For 3 years it is given as a return of 12%. and for 5 years it is given as a return of 29%. So these are the 5 stocks picked by Motilal Oswal, and they feel that these stocks will give us good returns in the near future and suggest a buy on these stocks. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation but from our side. But Motilal Oswal has given a buy signal for these 5 stocks. So think and then buy any of these stocks. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.